How to redeem Amazon gift card from Microsoft Rewards. To redeem an Amazon gift card using Microsoft Rewards, follow these steps. Visit the Microsoft Rewards website and log in with your Microsoft account. Earn Microsoft Rewards points through activities like searches on Bing, completing challenges, or making purchases from the Microsoft Store. Once you've earned enough points, navigate to the Redeem section on the Microsoft Rewards dashboard. Look for the Amazon gift card option in the list of available rewards. You may find different denominations, example $5, $10, $25. Choose the Amazon gift card amount you want to redeem and follow the on-screen instructions. After redemption, you will receive a digital Amazon gift card code via email to use for purchases on Amazon. Make sure to check that the Amazon gift card is available in your region, as some rewards may have regional restrictions. Thanks for watching.